Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install Google Art and Culture in Windows 11 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First go to the Google Chrome, open Google Chrome. In a Google Chrome, go to the new tab, click on this plus button, new tab is open. In new tab, here we find Google Apps, click on Google Apps at here, click on Google Apps, scroll down and here find art and culture. Click on art and culture, wait for a few seconds and art and culture is open on our PC. Here we find three dot in Google Chrome at the top we find three dot. Click on that three dot, scroll down and go to the save and share. Go to the save and share. Here we find install Google Art and Culture. Click on that. Click on install or not. I want to install, so click on install and new pop-up window is appear. Close this window, click on no thanks. Close the Google Chrome. On desktop, we find Google Art and Culture shortcut. Also in start, we find Google Art and Culture shortcut. That means our Google Art and Culture is installed on our Windows 11 PC. Open it from anywhere. I open it from the desktop. Double click on it. Wait for a few seconds. And Google Art and Culture is now open as an app or installed as an app in our Windows 11 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.